channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY gel air fresheners. This recipe does use gelatin in there. If you don't like gelatin or you don't want to use it, there are alternatives on the market, so you can experiment with trying them. So stay tuned and we'll get started with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got a old saucepan here, which is quite small. Into that I've got half my water, and then I'm going to take my leaf of gelatin and pop that in. And I'm going to stick those on the heat until the gelatin's melted. I'm just going to keep stirring it. My gelatin and water are now melted together. They're both in a liquid form. And I did just soak my gelatin leaf before I popped it in there. I'm just going to add a couple of twists of salt. And I'm using sea salt here. You want to use sea salt rather than table salt. And then I'm going to add the second half more water, along with my fragrance essence. So I've gone for a fruity essence, so you can use whatever essence you like. And I'm just going to pop in 10 drops of this. And I'm going to give that a bit of a mix. So that's all incorporated, and the last thing I'm going to do is just pop a little bit of food colouring in there. So I'm using some red gel, and because mine's a gel, I'm just going to use 1 drop of that. Give it a mix. So there's our mixture all together. So now we've got our mix. I'm going to take a container. Now I'm using a little spice jar here. What I've done is just given it a rinse out, taken the label off, and then with the top, I've just popped the top off and broken the catch. So what I can do once this is made is screw my top of my spice jar on, so I'll get the lovely scent coming through, and then if I needed to, I can just obviously cover it over while it's setting up. So what we're going to do now is pour our mixture into the jar, and I am just going to pop a piece of kitchen paper on the bench, just fold it over a couple of times just in case spill any. Good job, I popped that kitchen paper down. So what I'm going to now do is pop my lid on completely, and I'm going to leave that on our tiled windowsill to set up overnight. And these gel air fresheners do last you about a month once they are set, so you will get fragrance for about a month, and then you can just scoop them out, remelt them, or make a new one and pop it in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do make these gel air fresheners yourself, just let me know what flavour and what colours you're going to use. These would be great in like a little entranceway, in a wardrobe, or in a bathroom. So I'm going to pop mine in a bathroom. So you can increase the quantity if you wanted to, and make like double a batch if you want to do more of these or extras. Don't forget you can subscribe to my videos, just click up here. And you can catch my previous video just over here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!